See that Ford symbol? See that? Can you read that? I'm taking that out. And honestly, no tools required. So we're getting to that camera right there. Look at this. This is how nice Ford has done this. My hands are actually kind of slippery because I just ate. But look at this. No tools other than my fingernails. Let's get that Torx out and get this camera out. Look how easy this is. One screw. And let me get the part number if I can. So 1 T20 later, which is right there, we're going to unclip this. Look at this. It just goes flying. Gotta love it. And so here is the part number, if I can even get that. Look how tiny this thing is. Hey, Mexico. And I think it just pops right out. Yeah, look at this. No tools required. Love it. And there's your front camera. Now you unclip it, squeeze, and pull. Squeeze that, the center. Got it? Good. I'm not going to unclip it. So, let's put it back. Line this thing up. I need both hands for this one. One screw later, lined it up, and we're going to put it right back as if we never touched it. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.